Chapitre 2 Après le bac, quelques expressions. We are going to learn some expressions which are given in chapter number 2. The first one is passer un examen ou passer un concours. It doesn't mean that to pass an exam. Passer an examen means to sit for an exam, or passer un concours means to sit for a competitive exam, a competitive exam, as I had explained to you while explaining you the system of education. Okay, I will give you one example for this. Par example, Pauline, I'm going to conjugate this verb passer to make the sentence in passé composé. Pauline a passé, or maybe I can use passer concours. Pauline a passé un concours la semaine dernière. Okay, passer un concours. A similar sentence can be made with the help of examen also. Pauline a passé un examen la semaine dernière means Pauline sat for a competitive exam the last week. Okay, so passer un examen ou passer un concours. Now the next one, faire ses études de lettres, de droit, etc. It means faire ses études. Faire, as you know, means to do. Okay, so to do ses études, the letter to do studies. As I had explained to you, lettre is literature. To do studies of literature. The droit is law. Okay, so you can use any subject in this using this expression. You can always say faire ses études de lettres, faire ses études de droit, or faire ses études de sciences, like that. So I'm going to use it, and you can always change this possessive adjective accordingly. Okay, for example, if I have writing a sentence using faire is je fais mes études. I'm using mes here. Je fais mes études de lettres à la faculté, or you can use university or université also. I had explained to you faculté also, that is different branches of school at the university level. So I am doing my studies of literature at the faculty, right? Or you can make sentence like il fait ses études de lettres ou de sciences à la faculté. So this is how we can use this expression faire ses études. Études basically means studies. Okay, then the next one, the third expression is suivre les cours de, or suivre une formation de. Suivre basically to follow. Okay, to follow the classes of, or une formation basically is the training. Information is the training of, or to follow, or the pursue the training of something. Okay, training of. For example, you can say that il suit. Here I am conjugating. This is the irregular verb. Suivre means to follow. Il suit les cours de français à l'université. Okay, or you can make the sentence using suivre une formation also. Il suit une formation de mathématiques à université. So you can use both these expression in the similar manner, right? It means to follow a course or classes of something. It means suivre une formation means to follow the training of something. Then the next one, the last one, réussir à un examen ou échouer à un examen. Réussir à un examen means to succeed in an exam, or échouer means to fail in an exam. Okay, for example, I give one example for both. It is grâce à mon professeur, j'ai réussi à mon examen d'anglais. What does it mean? Grâce à mon professeur means thanks to my professor, I have succeeded in my English exam. Okay. Similarly, I would give one example for échouer à. Okay. Échouer à. J'ai échoué à mon examen. Je dois travailler dur. What does it mean? I have failed in my exam. I need to work hard. So these are the expressions which are covered in your chapter 2, that is passer un examen, un concours, faire des études de lettres, suivre les cours or suivre une formation, réussir à examen ou échouer à un examen. Now the next topic which we are covering in this chapter is la nominalisation. La nominalisation. What is la nominalisation? It means turning a verb or changing a verb or an adjective into a noun form, like we do in English. Okay. For example, in English we say to sing. To sing is a verb. Okay. And now we change it into a noun, singing. Singing is a noun. Similarly, in the similar manner, I have given these two examples. You can say that chanter, chanter as you know means to sing. The noun form, this is chanter, le chante. Chanter is verb, la forme verbale, and le chante is la forme nominale. Similarly, étudier, étudier is a form verbal, the verb. Étudier means to study. L'étude, étude is the form nominal. So these two, they are in the form, la forme verbale, and these two are in the la forme nominal. Now a lot of people, lot of students ask this question, how to change the form verbal into the form nominal. See, there is no as such, you cannot identify that this verb is there and I have to change into this. It is just by practice and by reading and by going through lot of verbs, you will get to learn that this verb has this noun form. But how actually they are made, what we actually observe when we learn the nominal form, how do we make it? As I told you, we can make it like we can change the verb into a noun, or we can change an adjective into a noun. So this is our observation which will help us. Like usually what we observe is this. Now the first thing that we observe is this: to change verb form to noun form in French, many times suffix is used. Suffix, the verbs which are added at the end of the verb. Okay, many suffixes are used after the verbs to change it into the form nominal. Suffixes are like age, aj, ment, tion, ation, ure. There are many more, but I have just taken few examples. You will gradually get to learn when you see new verbs. Okay, like for example, lave is the verb. As you know, lave means to wash. Okay, and we have to change it into nominal, la form nominal. So how I am going to change it? I am going to put this suffix age. There is no rule, but I am telling that this suffix is being used with this verb. So it becomes, I am just going to take one radical lav and removing er and putting age. right? This is just the observation. You don't have to do it. You just have to learn that laver has the form nominal lavage. Okay. Similarly, changer can be changed using ment, changement. So laver means to wash, and lavage means washing. It becomes the form nominal, right? Similarly, construire means to construct. So here the form is construction. I have used ion, right? Then forme is means to form, okay, and right now we have seen to train also, so it becomes the form nominal becomes formation. We have just learnt in the expression formation. Changement is the change. Construire means to construct. Construction is the construction. Formation is to train or the formation. And ouvrir, we have learnt, ouvrir means to open, and its uh, form nominal will be ouverture. So we are using various suffixes, like here ure, here I have used tion, okay, here also tion, here ment, here age. Okay, so different suffixes are used to make the form nominal here. And then in some cases no suffix is required. In some verbs we don't use the suffix. It is we just make the form nominal from the given verb itself. Like this is appeler, so the form nominal will be just appel. Appeler means to call, and we can just put the article here. L'appel should be the form nominal. It means the call. Okay, appeler is the verb to call, and l'appel is the call, the form nominal we are talking about, right? Similarly, étudier means to study. I am not adding anything else to the verb, students. It is just from the verb itself. I am removing the radical and just making it like this. Étudier, here it is, you can write étude. Étude, we have just studies, study or studies. Essayer means to try, and l'essai is the trial. So in all these things, three examples I have given, you see I have not used any extra word, any suffix after the verb. It is from the verb itself the nominal form is being derived. So you have to learn all this, right? Then in some cases feminine of past participle are also used. So what we observe when we see the form nominal, many times the feminine of the past participles of some verbs are used as nominal form. Okay, like arriver, you have seen arriver means to arrive, and if I ask you what is the form nominal of arriver, you can say arriver with extra e. This is the feminine form. The past participle, as you know, is arriver, and if I make it the feminine form, it will be with extra e. And if I ask you what is the form nominal of arriver, it should be l'arrive. Then sortir means to go out. Arrive is the arrival. Arrive means to arrive, and the form nominal is the arrival, arrive. Sortir means to go out. I will say the form nominal will be la sortie. This is the past participle. This is the feminine of the past participle, la sortie. Then again entrer. Entrer means to enter. Entrer, the feminine form. L'entrée is the entry. Conduire means to drive. Conduite with extra e is the form nominal. So if I say what is the form nominal of arrive, you will say l'arrive, the arrival. Sortir, la sortie, the exit. Okay, to go out, and sortir is exit. Entrer means to enter. What is the form nominal? L'entrée, it means the entry. Conduire means to drive. Here la conduite, driving. Okay, or the drive, right? So these are the form nominal of the verbs. Okay, as I told you in the beginning, the form nominal can also be made using the adjectives also. Few adjective also helps to make the form nominal. Now we can change adjectives to noun forms. I have taken few examples here, like riche. Riche, as you know, means rich. Okay, so here the form nominal will be richesse, the richness. Okay, beau or la richesse, you can say that. Beau means beautiful or handsome. From this we can derive the form nominal la beauté. Vieux, as you know, old. right? Here is la vieillesse. Vieillesse as vieillesse means the old age. Okay. Jeune, okay, jeune means young. Young, the form nominal will be la jeunesse. Jeunesse is the youth. Okay, young and youth. Joyeux, that means it means il est joyeux, joyful, right? Its form nominal will be la joie, the joy. Okay, these all are adjectives, and here I am making the form nominal, right? Malade, malade is sick. Il est malade, he is sick. And what is the form nominal for that? The sickness, okay, the disease, it will be la maladie. So this is how the adjectives help to make the form nominal. But I am repeating myself. I have just told you the observation which we usually observe in French, that la nominalisation, the form nominal, can be derived with the help of the verbs and the adjectives. But there is no such rule that how to make the how to change the verb to a nominal form. This is just the observation. It is impossible for you to remember all this, but what you have to do with thorough reading, when you come across new words, try and find out their form nominal. It would help you to revise the nominalization. Okay, thank you.